Let's take a look at this problem. Here is a function that maps real numbers to real numbers, and this function satisfies the fact that for all real numbers x that's not equal to 1, f of x plus f of 1 over cube root of 1 minus x cubed equals x cubed. Find the value of f of minus 1. Before we move on, don't forget to give a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. To make the equation look simpler, I'm going to consider a function, new function. I call it g of x, that is defined by f of the cube root of x. So I can say that f of x is actually just equal to g of x cubed, simply replacing the x in this equation by x cubed. Then we'll get the relation below. Then we can say that for the first term is just g of x cubed, while for the second term is g of 1 over 1 minus x cubed, and this equals x cubed. Now we have an equation on a new function, and that only involves the unknown x cubed. So at this point, I'm going to let u equals x cubed. So g of u plus g of 1 over 1 minus u equals u. So now the equation looks much simpler. Next, I'm going to replace u by 1 over 1 minus u. Replace u by 1 over 1 minus u. Then we have the first term just like the second term in the first equation, or the equation above, I mean. And then the other term will become 1 over 1 minus 1 over 1 minus u. And this equals 1 over 1 minus u. So simplifying, the second term becomes g of 1 over 1 minus u minus 1 over 1 minus u. And so actually it will become u minus 1 over u inside the second bracket. Then noticing that this part, the u minus 1 over u, is actually 1 minus 1 over u. So if I do the substitution again, replacing each u by 1 over 1 minus u, then for 1 minus 1 over u, this will actually become 1 minus 1 over 1 minus u. And so this part becomes 1 minus u, and so that's u. Okay, so from this we can say that the first term is, according to previous experience, is equal to g of u minus 1 over u plus g of u, and that equals u minus 1 over u. So now by doing the substitution twice, we have three equations about the function g. The first one over here, and then the second one over here, and the third one over here. We can see that on the left side of the three equations, we have these three terms appearing twice, each appearing twice. G of u, g of 1 over 1 minus u, and g of u minus 1 over u. So we can actually solve for g of u with these three equations. Indeed, I can say that if this is equation 1, 2, and 3, g of u can be obtained by adding equations 1 and 3, and then subtracting equation 2. Then we'll have just two g of u's. Adding equations 1 and 3 minus equation 2, we have 2 times g of u will be equal to u plus u minus 1 over u minus 1 over 1 minus u. So back to our main problem. Now that we are able to solve for g, actually the requirement of this problem is to find f of minus 1. So how far are we from f of minus 1? Indeed, I can say that therefore f of minus 1 under the definition of g is actually just equal to g of minus 1 all cubed, and that's g of minus 1. So it's actually quite easy. I just have to replace u by minus 1 in the black equation above, and then divide both sides by 2. So minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 1 over minus 1 minus 1 over 1 minus minus 1, all divided by 2. So we can try compute this, and we get 1 over 4. So this is the final answer. Please feel free to share ideas in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you next time.